Hello learners. In today's session, you will learn implementing generic views. Django provides class-based views, CBVs, as an alternative to function-based views to help organize code and make it more reusable and efficient. Why use CBVs? Because it is less repetitive code, write less code for common tasks, and reusable and organized. You can use inheritance to build new views from existing ones. And it is built-in features. Handle data retrieval, rendering, and pagination easily. What are generic views? Generic views are pre-built CBVs provided by Django for common tasks like displaying lists or details of objects. Why use generic views? Because they are saves time, reduce writing repetitive codes, and handles common tasks like filtering, sorting, and pagination automatically. And to focus on your app logic instead of rewriting code for basic operations. Displaying a list of questions using ListView. Let's learn how to use ListView to show a list of full questions step by step. Step 1. Define a ListView in views.py. We open views.py from Django.views.generic import ListView. From .models import question, you should add the class question list view colon model equal question template name equal pools question list dot html context object name equal questions, and we should save it. Step 2, create the template. Create a new HTML file at pools/templates/pools question_list.html. New file. questionlist.html. Enter. We added the following code: h1 pool questions angle bracket ul opening curly bracket percentage sign for question in questions percentage sign close bracket double curly brace question dot question underscore text space and closing brace curly brace percentage sign and for space percentage sign, and we should save it. Step 3, added the URL in urls.py. Added the view to the URL configuration in pools/urls.py. From dot views import question list view, URL patterns, path, question, comma, question list view, dot as view, name equal, question, hyphen, list, and we save it. Step 4, view the lists in browser. Run the Django server and visit http 8000 pools/questions. Pools questions. How do you do? Sample question. Displaying a single question using DetailView. Now let's use DetailView to show details of a single question. Step 1. Define a DetailView in views.py. From Django.views, generic import ListView and DetailView. Classes, question, classes, question, DetailView, DetailView colon, model equal, question, template name equal, pools, question, detail.html, context, object name equal, question. After this update, we should save it. Step 2, create the template. Create a new file at pools/templates/pools and name it question_detail.html. question_detail.html. Inside it, we write h1 double opening curly brace question_text space closing double curly brace angle bracket p published on colon question.update space and closing double curly brace. Ctrl S to save updates. Step 3, add the URL in urls.py. From Django.url, import path. From .view, import question list view and question detail view. Single quote, questions int colon pk comma question detail view dot as underscore view comma name equal single quote question hyphen detail. Control S to save it. Step 4. View the details in browser. Tools questions. Number 1. How do you do? Published on 21st January 2025. Tips and best practice. Customizing context variables. Use context underscore object underscore name to set custom variable names in templates. Second, using mixins for extra features. Added authentication easily using mixins like login required mixin and overriding methods for custom behavior. You can filter questions based on conditions by overriding methods like get underscore query set. Key takeaways: class-based views, CBVs, help organize and reuse code efficiently. Generic views like ListView and DetailView reduce repetitive coding. Using CBVs allows you to focus on app logic instead of writing common tasks from scratch. With just a few lines of code, you can create powerful dynamic views in Django. By following this guide, you can easily start using Django's class-based views in your projects.